Yeah. I was just recording Frank's Taco hosted on YouTube. I was recording Frank's Taco hosted on YouTube. I said I was recording Frank's Taco hosted on YouTube.
Wow. Did I disturb?
Yeah.
I'm
No,
already
that's
famous,
fine.
so.